Hi guys, I'm Jayshree and today I'm going to create this look which is very fresh, light and easy. So let's dive into the video. So first I'm going to prep my skin using Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner and letting my skin relaxed. Second, I'm using Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Serum, taking a small amount on my palms and dabbing it all over my face. This look is all about a dewy base, so next I'm moisturizing my face with Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Face Cream. Just make sure you don't skip prepping your skin before the makeup. Next I'm using a MAC concealer of my skin tone to correct my under eyes and some concealer to conceal my acne marks. Now using a beauty blender, just blending it in the dabbing motion until the concealer gets blended perfectly. Now I am using a banana powder from my glam to set my under eyes and to keep the concealer on place. For my base, I'm gonna mix 3 products. First is the sunscreen, second is the BB cream, and third is the pink lip and cheek tint, and mix them all for a smooth texture. Now applying this like a foundation for a dewy base all over my face and neck area. And using a beauty blender, I'm just blending it in the dabbing motion again for a flawless base. For blush, I'm using the same lip and cheek tint, applying a few drops on my cheeks in the upward direction and some on my nose and blending it with the help of my fingers. Now applying a thin winged eyeliner with the help of a liquid eyeliner and finishing my lashes with Maybelline's Sensational Waterproof Mascara. Next, I'm using this crayon lip color by Sugar and creating an outline on my lips and now filling in the same lip color. I just love this lip shade. And that's it, that's the final look. It hardly takes 7 to 10 minutes to create this look. It's very dewy, simple and fresh. Let me know if you like this look, and also you can shop these products from Trell, grabbing extra 20% off using my coupon code JYSC26. And I'm signing off now. See you in my next video. Bye bye.